Since I was about 18 years of age, I've had a back problem. I've had curvature of the spine, and it's been an ongoing problem where I've had pain for my whole life. I have been through many different sequences of care, things like going to many different physical therapists, muscle relaxants, many different chiropractors, and they all seem to do a little bit of help, and I did get a little bit of better, and then it would just relapse and go backwards. I never just seemed to ever be able to walk out of a place and feel pain-free. It was something that was just kind of like for 3 or 4 days I felt okay. So I luckily met somebody who knows Dr. Panna, and they were so excited about the difference that he does that I said, well, what's it going to hurt to give it a try? So how I felt when I came here was I was starting to not be able to stand up very well. I was walking more like I was about 60, 70 years of age, about 10 to 15 years older. I was in constant pain. It was hard for me to concentrate. I didn't feel healthy. I felt cranky all the time and kind of just sad and just like lethargic. I'm a happy person, and it was just always in the back of my mind. It was bothering me, and I just didn't feel that there was any hope or possibility. So my next step was to consider surgery, and I really didn't want to do that if there was any possibility. So I came here and met with Dr. Panna, and he came in, he went through and talked to me in a very slow, considerate, thoughtful manner. He didn't make any promises at all. He said that these are some things that can work, and that if I would partner with him and do the things that he expressed that he knew that I could do, and continue to come in the frequency that he felt would be best. And his goal was to lengthen that frequency out and not have it to be often, but the goal would be to have it be less frequent. And if I would do that, that he felt that we had a pretty high possibility of the body healing itself. And one thing he talked to me about was, it's amazing how the body can heal itself if you know how to help it heal. And so the first thing we did was we talked and had a consultation. I came back, and he was very clear on the cost. There was nothing hidden or nothing that I didn't feel was a surprise. And I came in, and he did an x-ray of my back and my neck. And then I came back next time, and he showed me my back and my neck, and he went through the x-ray very clearly and told me what was wrong and where the needs were and what the possibilities were for both those areas. And I like the fact that he explained it. He did it in terms that were very easy for me to understand and very clear, and he was patient and took the time to answer my questions. I've been seeing Dr. Panna, I believe, for over a year and a half or so, or a couple years, and I've just got to tell you, it is a night and day experience. I feel younger, I feel healthier, I am able to get out of bed on my own on a regular basis. I'm not worried that my back's going to cave and fall apart and I have to cancel appointments. Let me just say that again, I would recommend that anyone who's feeling any type of illness or pain in their body, I don't care how big or small it is, come in and have a checkup.